Right, let's take the ride down here.
The most high-quality, high-fidelity sports communication device actually in production as we speak. Whether you're skiing, hiking, cycling, climbing, or adventuring, doing extreme sports, or having family fun, you want to stay connected, stay safe, and share the vibe. That's why Yo was created. Yo founder Harry is an entrepreneur who loves skiing, especially with his daughter Lily. It was always hard to keep things safe, yet fun, so he tinkered with tech and built a device that let him and Lily talk on the mountain in real time. Presenting the first YoAudio action sports communication device, featuring clear, crisp, one-to-one communication. Stay connected up to 2,000 feet. Cancels wind and speed noise. Completely hands-free. Custom colors, and more. Harry then crossed paths with Ski Bum Lubo. Lubo tried the first version of Yo and was sold.
I'm Lubo, co-founder of YoAudio. We're building a community, and we want to hear from you. How can we improve and develop YoAudio to add what you want and need so you can share the vibe?
Why be a YoAudio backer? Discount pricing, guaranteed shipping by January, and much more as we build together. Created by Yo, shaped by you. Together, let's make the ultimate sports action communicator ever. YoAudio. Stay connected, stay safe, and share the vibe.